Okay, so there's a random fucking bag of what the fuck. Well, we got some hair, we got a scarf shirt thingy. Oh, here's the scarf. Oh shit, a diary. What is this? Ooh. Oh my god. The juice. Okay, guys. So I took it inside. And your bitch is gonna investigate, so I'll let you know. Gotta put a filter on, because the bitch is ugly. Okay, scarf. Jacket. Cream. Angel. Box. Whoa, it's coming apart. Oh, it's got like a little ring in there. I don't know, it's kind of cute. It's focusing on my fucking face, but you know, lots of energy in that bitch. How do I don't remember how I put it off or took it off. Well, fuck. Let me figure this out. Cute little. Low key, this is a cute ass fucking wig. Like, bitch, I'd wear the fuck out this hoe. 2 more of these. Bitch, this hoe's got a chain. Oh fuck. I'm snatching the fuck out some of this shit. Okay, we got some necklaces. Eagle thingy. I think that's the correct bird. Bitch, we're saving this hoe for last because I'm gonna read the fuck out that shit. Another one. Ooh. What is this? Is it nail polish? Oh. Yeah, it is. Gorilla Glue. Okay. Cherry pie. Okay, this shit, thank God the video ended because that shit is like melted as fuck, and then I smelled it and I kind of gagged a little bit, so. We got toothpaste, toothbrush. Sorry, I gotta chill of coldness because I'm just cold. Mints, other shit. Bitch, that's cute. That kind of looks like a wand. Oh fuck, this whole witch wouldn't surprise me. I kind of want to put her shit back now. What's in here? Feel bad going through people's shit, but that shit smells like weed. A little dink. Oh, yep. Yeah. Not gonna show that. And then a bunch of chargers and shit. Okay. So, I read some of this. Whatever is in there, there's honestly, like, not really that much. Oh. Kind of smells like a cigarette. I love that, like, oh, whoa. That changed. This bitch is like super all over the place, and her like writing is weird, like perhaps love, and she puts in weird brackets, like, and then prove me wrong and a little star. Like, I don't understand, but I'm gonna try to figure this out. This is really fun. It gave me something to procrastinate for. Like, I don't have to do shit now. But,